Hello students, welcome back to the fifth video of this playlist. So in this video we will be solving the fifth question from May 2024 P1 regional paper. So let's see what's the question number 5 is about. So basically the concepts behind question number 5, it's from chapter number 1, that is algebraic expressions of your P1 textbook, and also some concepts from chapter 4, that is factorizing cubic equations. So it is combination of topics, like combination of concepts from both of these two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 4 of your textbook. So let's get started with the question number 5. So here in part A they are asking to factorize fully 9x cubed negative 10x squared plus x. We need to factorize this cubic equation. So factorize means what? We need to represent it in the form of product of factors. So to factorize it, at first what we can do, look, we can take x common from here, right? If you take x common, what you will get? 9x squared minus 10x plus 1, right? We got the two factors. One is what? One is quadratic, the other one is what? Linear. Okay, so x times 9x squared negative 10x plus 1. So now we can factorize the quadratic one, the quadratic factor further. How? Using the middle term factorization. Okay, so how can we factorize it? 9 times 10, it is like the factors are quite easy. It will be what? Negative 9x negative x plus 1, right? We can write like this. Okay, so then what we can write? X times, right? X times what we can take common here? 9x. So if you take 9x common, you will get what? X minus 1. And if you take minus 1 common from here, you will get x minus 1 also. Okay, so the factors are x, 9x minus 1 and x minus 1. This is the factorized form of the given cubic equation, 9x cubed, cubic expression 9x cubed minus 10x squared plus x. Okay, next part B, they said hence solve. Since they said hence, that means we need to use our previous answer, right? To solve what? 9 times 27 to the power y minus 10 times 9 to the power y plus 3 to the power y equals to what? 0. Okay, so we need to solve that. They said hence. Okay, so since they said hence, that means we need to relate the given equation with the previous factorized form. Okay, how can we relate? Can you make some relationship here? Look, 9 here, you can see 9 here, 9. Okay, here it is x cubed. In place of x cubed we have 27, right? Then negative 10 here, negative 10. X squared in place of x squared, this is what? 9 to the power y. So can you make some relationship? If you can't still find, then consider the last term, x. Here it is x, and here they consider 3 to the power y. That means x equals to what? 3 to the power y. Make sense? X is 3 to the power y. Okay, so we consider what? Considering what? X equals to what? 3 to the power y, right? What we can write? 3 to the power y times 9 times 3 to the power y minus 1 times what? 3 to the power y minus 1 equals to what? 0, right? So we need to get the value for y, isn't it? So what we can do? So either 3 to the power y is equals to 0. We know that exponential 3 to the power y is what? Exponential. Exponential value can never be 0. So ignore this one. So you will have either 9 times 3 to the power y minus 1 equals to 0, or 3 to the power y minus 1 equals to what? 0. Okay, so make 3 to the power y subject from both of the factors. So you'll get 1 over 9, or you can write 3 to the power y equals to what? 1. Fine. So we can write 1 over 9 as 3 inverse 2, isn't it? 3 to the power y equals to what? 3 inverse 2 is basically 1 over 9, or 3 to the power y can be written as 3 to the power 0, right? So base on both sides are same, so they cancels out, so you'll get y equals to negative 2 or y equals to what? 0. So the solutions to the given equation is that either y equals to negative 2 or y equals to 0. So this is all about what? Question number 5 from May 2024, May 2024 P1 regional paper. That's it.